Hi, today I'm with me Doogee T20 and I'll show you how to change icons shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should get the application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store and in the search pool enter the Icon Changer. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then install it on your device. So after that, just tap to open the app. So I just wanna turn on the auto rotate option. So okay, let's tap to open the app. Okay, now we'll see here all of the applications on our device, which icons we can change. For example, let's just change the Gmail application icon. You could rename it if you want to do that. Just click here to this edit icon. Here you'll see the library with different folders with the different icons. You could use them or just to take a picture right now in Camera app, or to use the gallery. Just photo from your device gallery previously downloaded or taken on your device camera. For example, this will be the Gmail application, and let's, for example, use this icon or just another one. So let's find here some, for example, this icon. Okay, after that just tap here to OK on the right upper corner. Now we should just skip the ads. So click the X icon, tap here at the home screen and click go to desktop or change next icon by the same way. So let's go to the desktop to see the new Gmail icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.